are some tips and tricks on how to assemble and use your hand blender. So first and foremost, to disengage the shaft from the motor body, press this button and remove it. To engage it, you're going to do the opposite. You're just going to line it up and press down and it'll be engaged. The other thing to note about your hand blender is right here it has a lock button. In order to operate the hand blender, what you will need to do is you need to press the unlock button, which will unlock the mechanism, and you press the on button so that the unit runs. If you let go of the on button at this point, you will not be able to re-engage it. You need to unlock it, simultaneously pushing the on button to operate it, and then when you release, it automatically shuts off. It comes with a beaker, this model. It also has a whisk attachment, which I will show you how to assemble that. This is 2 pieces, just so you know. You can take it apart, put it back together like so. And then what we're going to do is disengage the shaft from the motor body. To use the whisk attachment, just line up the gears, press it down to lock it into place. Once again, press the release button, detach the accessory, and now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the mini prep attachment. There's 3 areas of the work bowl. You'll see these little notches. What you need to do is you need to line up these little dots. There's 3 of them. By lining it up with the bowl and twisting it to lock it into place. Then what you will do is you'll take the motor body once again, mount it on the top of the unit like so, press the unlock button and then the on button, and that will allow your mini prep to operate. So there you have it. All of the accessories that come with your hand blender. They're so easy to operate, easy to clean, and fun to use.